फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में था,
बस वही 2 डाउट है ना?
उसके बाद वो सारे प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत ही हार्ड है।
हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम, कोई बात नहीं, मतलब यू आर डूइंग रियली गुड, मतलब यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड. इट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू हैव टू डू ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन, बट यू मस्ट अटेम्प्ट ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. आर यू गेटिंग इट, Arohi? See, it is not necessary that each and every question you should get. That is not at all important. Important is you should put effort from your side, genuinely. कुछ बच्चे क्या होता है ना, just for the sake वो show करते हैं कि I am working hard without doing working hard. It is not good. You have to attempt the questions. If you are not getting, that's completely okay. That's the reason teacher is there to help you, right?
Yes, sir.
And best part is you are doing very good. Matlab you are working hard. You have shared me all the homeworks and all, no? So keep doing it. I can guarantee you there is nothing like impossible. You can get 100 out of 100 for maths.
Yes, sir.
Whatever homework I give, you just keep following it without any hesitation. If you get any doubt, you have to ask it. What other things, that is none of your business, okay? Sometimes what happens, a student feel, oh, I don't know this, they will feel bad and all. Nothing, they will not feel anything, because no one is going to write the exam for you. Do you think they will write it? No. Then why worry about others? All right, तो हम लोग इस पे फोकस करते हैं, ठीक है? Whatever the doubts was there. So let me share my screen first. Are you able to see my screen?
No, sir. Yes, sir, I can see.
All right, good. So you are telling the doubt. Which one was the doubt? Question.
20.
Can you read the question?
Oh.
First doubt.
This one. If a given AP, if pth term is
Q
Q
and Qth term is that one. Okay, that I will explain. I think that question everybody will have doubt. That question everybody will have doubt actually. So let's everybody come actually, then it will be better.
Okay. Then
That
after that, if I think I sent it to you on my
that
homework.
m times nth term and that one nth times m, that was wrong, right? What you have written, I have given you the instruction also there, right?
Yeah.
That question, no? If m times nth term, m times the mth term of an AP, right? That question you are telling, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, anyway, I'll explain that questions, not to worry. So what it says, if the mth term of an AP, so mth term, how do we write it? Tm, right? Yes. And nth term, how do we write it? If the nth term is of an AP and the nth term, okay. So mth term is given to you as 1 by n, and the nth term is given as 1 by m, right? This is the question, right? So you have to show that it mth term, right? Nth term is 1. This is what you need to show it, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this question you have a doubt?
Yes, sir.
All right, no problem. So let us understand this question in detail, Arohi. Mth term is 1 by n, right? What does it mean? We know that mth term is nothing but a plus m minus 1 times d is 1 upon n. Yes or no, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Same way, nth term is nothing but what I can say, a plus n minus 1 times d, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
That is equals to 1 by m. Any confusion till here, Arohi?
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
If we write the normal Tn formula, that is a plus n minus 1 into d.
Now, that is for nth term, right? See,
Yeah.
that is for nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. But instead of n, if they say 10th term, so how do we write it? A plus 10 minus 1 into d, right? So instead of n, here it is mth term, right? M. So where n is there, it will replace by m. That's it.
No, I thought that first you said to write the formula before. No. So I wrote that formula for the nth term and I got confused.
Okay, no problem. So now you understand mth term means the way we write nth term, right?
Yeah.
N value can be anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100,000, anything. But in this, when I say mth term, so it means that in place of n, there will be m. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Little bit confused, or now you understand? Mth term is nothing but 1a plus m minus 1 into d, and that is given to you as 1 upon n. Same way, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 1 upon m. Right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
This is given to you. So now you know, after this it is very simple. Our target is always to find the value of first term and common difference. So either you can do first term minus second term, or you can do second term minus first term. Anything, if you do it, you will get the same answer. So for example, let's do equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So when I do equation number 2, that is a plus n minus 1 times d. This is equation number 2 minus equation number 1, that is a plus m minus 1 times d, bracket close. That
So
is equal.
equation 1 minus 2.
Sorry?
You wrote equation 1 minus 2.
Why? Where I wrote equation 1? Equation number 2 is this, right?
Yeah.
And this is equation number 1. Where I have written equation number 1 minus 2?
I thought n was m and m was n. I got confused.
See, m, first of all, have you understood mth term is a plus m minus 1 into d, or you are confused?
I got confused because they wrote t mth term is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m.
So value can be anything. You don't have to worry. Either you take equation number 2 or and minus equation number 1, or equation number 1 minus equation number 2. That is not a problem at all, right? But in generally we do equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes.
So that is nothing but equation number 2 is 1 upon m minus 1 upon n. Is that all right, Arohi? Till here, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Now, if you open the bracket, this will be a plus n minus 1 bracket d. And if you open the bracket, this is minus a minus of m minus 1 times d. Right, Arohi? Now this side, if you take the LCM, this is mn, and here you will get it as n minus m. Right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now this a and minus a will get cancel it out. Yes or no, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now this is n minus 1 times d minus of m minus 1 times d, that is equals to n minus m upon mn. Any confusion, Arohi?
No, sir.
Now if you open the bracket, this will be nd minus d, minus is there, and m into d, if you multiply, this is md, and minus with minus 1, that is plus 1 into d is plus d, that is equals to n minus m upon mn. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you observe carefully, this minus d and this plus d gets cancel it out, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So now you are remaining with nd minus md is equals to n minus m upon mn. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now from both of these terms, if you observe carefully, d is common. So I can take d as common, then I will get n minus m times d is equals to n minus m upon mn. Yes or no, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now I want the value of d. So n minus m, if you take to the other side, you will get d is equals to numerator, it is n minus m, and this denominator is m times n, and this n minus m will come in the denominator, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now if you see a numerator n minus m and denominator n minus m gets cancel it out, so you remain d numerator is just 1 upon mn. Yes or no, Arohi, or you are confused?
I got it, sir.
So this is the value of d we have got. Now the value of d you can substitute either in the first equation or in the second equations to get the value of first term, right, Arohi? Are you
Yes,
getting it? So where do you want to substitute? Tell me, in the first or second?
first.
All right. So suppose if you want to substitute the value of d in the first term, right, Arohi? So you will get A plus M minus 1 times D. That is 1 upon Mn, right, Arohi? And
Yes.
that is nothing but equals to 1 upon N. Any confusion, Arohi?
No, sir.
Now, if you open the bracket, this is A plus. If you multiply M into 1 by Mn, so you will get M upon Mn, right, Arohi?
Yes.
Minus 1 upon Mn is equals to 1 upon N. Any confusion, Arohi?
Sir, when m minus 1 was multiplied by 1, we'll do it. Okay, okay, I got it.
Got it, Arohi, or you're confused? Don't hesitate if you're not understood.
I'm confusing myself, sir.
So, shall I explain one more time?
Yes, sir. This A formula when you substitute with that.
See, if you are multiplying basic things, suppose x minus y times something is there, like for example, let's say t. So what you have to do first, x you have to multiply by t, you will get xt, right? And
Yes,
same way minus y you have to multiply by t, you get yt, right, Arohi?
yes, sir.
So that's what I'm doing first. M I am multiplying by this first, and then minus this I am multiplying by this.
Okay.
You still confused, Arohi?
No, I got it, sir.
So that's what I'm doing here, Arohi. This A is as it is plus M I will multiply by 1 upon Mn. So you will get M upon Mn, right, Arohi?
Yes.
Minus 1 upon Mn. Still, if you are confused, tell me. Don't hesitate, Arohi. Still confused, Arohi?
I got it, sir.
All right. Now, if you observe carefully, m from the numerator and m from the denominator gets cancelled it out. You remain with a plus. This is 1 upon n minus 1 upon mn is equals to 1 upon n, right, Arohi? Now
Yes.
I want the value of a, so everything else I will take to the other side. So you will get a is equals to 1 by n is as it is, and this plus 1 by n goes to the other side, that is minus 1 by n, and minus 1 by mn goes to the other side, that is plus 1 upon mn. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now here what will happen, 1 upon n minus 1 upon gets cancel it out, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen here, Arohi? You will remain with a is equals to 1 upon mn. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you have got the value of a as 1 upon mn, right, Arohi? Same way you have got the value of common difference as 1 upon mn. Yes or no, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now finding the mth term is very simple, right? So like the way you write nth term as a plus n minus 1 into d. Here they are asking mnth term. So instead of n, you have to replace by mn, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
That is a plus mn minus 1 times d. Do you understand, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So a value, how much we have got? That is 1 upon mn, right, Arohi?
Yes,
Plus,
sir.
this is nothing but mn minus 1 times d. D, how much we have got? Same, that is 1 upon mn, right, Arohi?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting it? So what happens here? 1 upon mn is as it is, plus mn, first you will multiply mn with 1 upon mn, right, Arohi? So you will get mn divided by mn, and then minus 1 you will multiply by this, you will get 1 upon mn, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now if you observe carefully, 1 upon mn and this minus 1 upon mn gets cancelled it out. So you are remaining only with mn upon mn, which is nothing but 1, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? And
Yes,
hence the value of mnth term is 1. Is that all right, Arohi?
yes, sir.
100% you understand?
Yes, sir.
Please make a note
Sir.
of it. Yes, समय. Hello, मैं क्या हाल है?
I'm fine, sir.
गुड, अच्छी बात है. क्या क्या पढ़े आज स्कूल में?
सर स्कूल में रियल नंबर शुरू हुआ.
रियल नंबर से शुरू हुआ.
यस सर, फर्स्ट चैप्टर सर.
अच्छी बात है. तो वो तो बहुत थियोरटिकल है ना?
यस सर.
जो चीज प्रूफ करने वाला होगा ना कि प्रूव दैट रूट 2 इज इरेशनल एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स।
अभी वो ही है सर, अभी थोड़ा अलग है। अभी जैसे एलसीएम एचसीएफ है, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन।
तो वो तो बचपन से पढ़े होगे ना, क्लास 2 में भी पढ़ाए जाते हैं, राइट?
वो याद सर पढ़ाया मैं, मतलब
अच्छी बात है।
एक टीचर।
डाउट है उसमें?
नहीं सर।
अक्षर,
हाय सर।
हेलो अक्षर, क्या हाल है?
ठीक हो सर।
क्या पढ़े आज स्कूल में?
हमारा भी रियल नंबर स्टार्ट किया।
अच्छा, सब लोग तो एक ही क्लास में ना, एक ही सेक्शन में? नहीं, एक सेक्शन तो अलग अलग।
नहीं सर, हमारे का सेक्शन बस हमारे का सेक्शन अलग है।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है।
पर हमारे सर ने बोला है कि समर वेकेशन से पहले वो 6 चैप्टर खत्म कर देगा।
सबसे पहले किससे पहले?
समर वेकेशन से पहले।
6 क्यों? पूरा बुक बोलो ना सर को, 6 ही क्यों करना है? पूरा बुक का कंप्लीट करो सर, बोलो। स्वाति बोलेगी जिंदा नहीं रहेंगे ना, पूरा बुक हो जाएगा खत्म तो। तुम्हारे भी टीचर बोलते हैं पूरा बुक खत्म करना है?
हमारे टीचर ने कुछ नहीं बोला।
कुछ नहीं बोला है, लेकिन तुम्हारा टारगेट क्या है? मतलब फरवरी में खत्म करना है या मार्च में खत्म करना है? फरवरी में कर लेते हैं, मार्च में तो आई थिंक 11 मार्च को है ना मैथ का पेपर। 11 मार्च का पेपर डायरेक्टली तुम लोग को दूंगा, देखता हूँ कितने क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, कोई बात नहीं। तो पहले तो ये बताओ, जो मैं 30 अब मैं होमवर्क कम दूंगा तुम लोग को, लगता है हो नहीं पा रहा था ना? आई हैव गिवन सम 30 क्वेश्चन, तो उसी में टाइम निकल गया होगा ना मे बी। कल मैंने इसलिए कम ही दिया था, ओनली 10 क्वेश्चंस आई हैव गिवन, राइट? So how many questions you did, Karthik? And you have said me just now, no, I have not corrected it. I need to verify it.
Actually, I couldn't do most of the questions, sir.
Most of the questions you could, no problem at all. There is nothing to worry. Swati, okay, you tell me first, out of those 30 questions, Karthik, any doubt is remaining?
Yes, sir. Few, sir.
Few. Tell me the first doubt. Question number 1 to 10. Any doubt? I think till 17
No,
we
sir.
discussed, right?
Yes sir, yes sir. 17.
Third class till 17. Now tell me 18, 19, 20. Anybody have any doubt? 18, 19,
No, sir.
20.
नहीं सर।
No,
No, sir.
No doubt at all?
no, sir.
Coming from 21 to 25.
So just a minute.
21st, I have a doubt, sir.
You have a doubt in
22nd
21st.
तक किया है सर।
22nd, 25th तक कर लो ना हमें, just try till
सर
25.
मैंने भी 22nd तक की है। हाँ सर, मेरे को भी 21st डाउट है।
अच्छा, 21st में मेजोरिटी का डाउट है।
23rd में doubt.
सर मैंने आपको 22nd तक से आपका पिक्चर भेज दिया है।
स्लो स्लो, हाँ हाँ, मैं चेक कर लूंगा मैं, बट अभी मतलब 21 में किसी को 21 सबको एक्सप्लेन करना है, राइट?
हाँ, sir.
Akshat, can you read the question? That 21, what was the question?
Okay sir. If m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term and m is not equal to n, show that its m plus nth term is 0.
Sir, I got the answer for this.
ये तो क्लास 2 वाला क्वेश्चन है ना?
तो ये 22nd क्वेश्चन है, 21st
सर
नहीं।
ये 26.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, यही वाला डाउट है ना सभी लोग को? मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। आई थिंक ये सबको डाउट आए होंगे, ये क्वेश्चन बोर्ड एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन है ना डायरेक्टली।
सर पर इजी था सर।
हाँ, ये तो मतलब क्लास 2 वाला प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? एनीवे, कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो, हो जाएगा ये। जिसको जिसको अगर हो गया इज गुड, जिसको नहीं हुआ है तो देखो ध्यान से। कार्तिक, व्हेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, फुल अटेंशन शुड बी ऑन द स्क्रीन, ओके?
Yes, sir.
All right. Everyone, please focus. So what the question says, Amma, if you are done, you can move to the 23rd,
Yes, sir.
24th, 25th, 26th, and so on, okay?
Yes sir.
And later you can just observe if you have followed the same process or some other method is there, then we can discuss. All right. So what the question says here, if m times the mth term, right? So m times mth term, right? So m times of mth term, that is m times tm, is equals to n times nth term, right? This is given to you. Show that m plus nth term is 0. That is t of m plus n is equals to 0. It is not mth term plus nth term is 0. No, 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 no. It is m plus nth term is 0. Do you understand this question, Akshay?
सर मुझे ये नहीं समझा m times the nth term का मतलब।
हाँ, m टाइम्स मतलब जैसे 2 टाइम्स 5 तो क्या करते हैं 2 into 5, राइट? सो सेम वे m टाइम्स mth टर्म,
हाँ सर।
m टाइम्स का मतलब मल्टीप्लीकेशन, राइट? तो m टाइम्स mth टर्म को कैसे लिखते हैं? tm लिखते हैं ना? Now is it
समझ
clear or
गई।
still confused? टाइम्स का मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है, जैसे बोलते हैं ना 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times
टाइम पता था
Sorry?
लेकिन
now you
ठीक है
understand?
सर।
All right, so concentrate here everyone. So m times m the term is n times nth term. Now one more important thing, what I have told you every time whenever we are talking about arithmetic progression questions, what are the two important things? Tell me, Swati.
कॉमन।
Common difference and first term, right? So should
Yes,
be
sir.
trying to find that one, right? So this is given to us, we will use this concept, that is m remains m as it is. Mth term can be written as a plus m minus 1 into d. Can I write like this, Akshay?
Yes,
Nth
sir.
term can be written as a plus m minus 1 into d. Same way n times nth term कैसे लिखे हम लोग? a plus n minus 1
n
times d,
minus
right?
1
यहाँ तक कोई
d.
डाउट है?
No, sir.
Now, if you want, you can little bit simplify it. For example, this you can write it as ma plus md times m minus 1. Any confusion till here?
No, sir.
All right, good. तो इसके बाद क्या कर सकें इधर सेम वे इफ यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट दैट इज n टाइम्स a प्लस n इंटू डी इंटू n माइनस 1. अगर कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे पूछो. एनीबडी? I have not done anything. I'm just opening the bracket. Okay. So now you can collect all A related terms one side. So for example, you can write here as MA minus NA is equals to right hand side, whatever it is there, let us keep as it is. That is ND times N minus 1 minus MD times M minus 1. Can I write like this? Any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
Very good. Now, if you observe carefully, if I take A as common, I will get here as M minus N. Same way here, if I open the bracket, this you will get it as N square D minus N times D minus M square D plus MD. Any doubt still here? I have not done anything, just open the bracket, right? Now this a times m minus n remains as it is. Now if you observe carefully, first and third term, if I take d as common, I will get here as n square minus m square. And from the second and fourth term, if I take minus d as common, or you can take plus d also, that's okay. So if you take plus d or minus you want to take, okay, d you take this only, so this will become n minus m. Then यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है बताओ?
No, sir.
What
No,
I
sir.
did here, first and second term I clubbed, first and third term and second and fourth term I clubbed, right? And I took common here. Why I took common here? So that we can simplify easily. So d is as it is. I hope everybody knows that it is of the form a square minus b square. That can be written as a plus b times a minus b, and this is minus d is as it is times n minus m. Any confusion till here?
No, sir.
Now if I take d and n minus m will come as common, yes or no? D times n minus m is common, so what will remain the first bracket? That is n plus m, and this I have already taken common, so minus 1 will remain, yes or no?
Minus 1.
क्योंकि अगर जैसे मान लेते हैं 2x माइनस वाई, 2x माइनस अगर मान लेते हैं यहाँ पे 2 है, राइट? तो अगर हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, अगर 2 कॉमन लेते हैं, राइट, हम तो यहाँ पे 2 अगर कॉमन ले लो तो
Oh,
क्या बचेगा,
okay,
x
x
माइनस
minus
1
1.
बचेगा ना, सेम थिंग d
हाँ,
टाइम्स n माइनस 1 आई टेक कॉमन, सो दिस n प्लस m एंड यहाँ से सिर्फ -1 बचेगा, राइट अक्षर?
yes, yes, sir.
वेरी गुड। अब यहाँ पे जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में a टाइम्स m माइनस n तो चलेगा एज इट इज, राइट, a टाइम्स m माइनस n, राइट। अब इसको ध्यान से देखोगे ना ये, तो इफ आई टेक माइनस आउटसाइड कॉमन, व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग, यू विल गेट टू नो वेरी शॉर्टली, d टाइम्स
Cancel
m
करने के लिए.
माइनस n, यस वेरी गुड, and this is n plus m minus 1, and left hand side it is a times m minus 1, and both the sides if I divide by m minus n, this and this will get cancelled it out, yes or no Akshay?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion
No,
till
sir.
here? वेरी गुड। इसके बाद क्या है ना, बहुत ही सिंपल है, क्वेश्चन इज डन, यू आर गेटिंग ए वैल्यू एज माइनस डी टाइम्स n plus m minus 1. Any doubt still here, Akshay?
No, sir.
Very good. Now what you are supposed to find it out, m plus nth term, right? t of m plus n. तो हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं, a plus n minus 1 into d लिखते हैं ना, तो n की जगह क्या हो जाएगा, ये m plus
M plus
n
n?
minus 1 times d, right? ये समझ में आया या कंफ्यूजन है?
नहीं, अभी तो
See,
confusion.
term C, concentrate. Nth term, how do we write it? Tell me, Akshay.
हाँ सर, समझ गया क्योंकि यहाँ पे n equals to m plus n,
Yes.
इसलिए यहाँ पे n की जगह पे सर.
यस, जैसे n टर्म में क्या होता है, a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, यहाँ पे n की जगह m प्लस n है, तो a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू डी हो जाएगा, राइट अक्षर? और इसके बाद कुछ नहीं है, इसमें आसानी, आंख बंद कर लो, हो गया क्वेश्चन। ये क्या है, माइनस डी टाइम्स n प्लस m माइनस 1, और ये वाला टर्म एज इट इज नोट रन एरो, दैट इज m प्लस n माइनस 1 टाइम्स डी, राइट अक्षर? तो ये माइनस में है, ये प्लस में है, तो पूरा कट हो जाएगा ना, ये कंफ्यूजन है?
नहीं समझ गया.
ये माइनस,
वो एक आपने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर
हाँ,
दिया.
मतलब ए का वैल्यू ना जो हमें निकला था यहाँ पे, राइट, whatever we got the value of a, we have substituted here, right? And then what happens, this is minus d times of this, and this is plus d times of this, that will obviously get cancel it out, yes or no Akshay?
हाँ सर.
तो क्या आंसर आ गया, 0, दैट्स इट। वही तो प्रूव करना था ना मेरे को कि m प्लस nth टर्म इज 0।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
क्लास 2 में था या 3 में था अक्षत, बताओ? अच्छा, 4th में होगा मेरी। स्वाति बताएगी, किस क्लास में था स्वाति, बताओ?
फर्स्ट में।
मैंने कुछ भी, फर्स्ट में था, सही बोली स्वाति, सही बोल रही आज। कुछ नहीं किए, देखो मतलब ये एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन का क्वेश्चन था, कुछ था ही नहीं इसमें। Anyway, Akshat, you please go through once again. Swati, go through once again, and still if you have a doubt, ask. Karthik, have you understood this question, or shall I explain one more time?
No,
Sir,
sir, I
मेरा हो
don't
गया.
have any doubt in this.
Arey wah, very good. Arohi, have you understood, or shall I explain one more time this? Don't hesitate. नहीं, hesitate नहीं करना है. You are not hesitating, right?
No, sir.
See, please understand the nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. अगर वो nth term क्या करके बोलता है कि निकालो pth term, so pth term का मतलब क्या होता है, n के जगह p substitute कर देना, that's it, right? Are you getting it, Arohi? All right, so this was question number 21. 22, anybody has
Sir,
any?
23rd.
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, पहले serial order we will go, serial order. So everyone finish this question, note it down once.
सर मैं 1 मिनट में, मेरा पेन खत्म हो गया.
अच्छा, आ जाओ जल्दी से।
सर 23rd हो गया।
All right, 24 करो। After actual questions starts after 20 only. Before that, it is all extremely simple. Tomorrow we will be starting with a new topic.
Sir, no test.
टेस्ट होगा ना, संडे को टेस्ट भी होगा, टेंशन नहीं है, टेस्ट अभी होने वाला है। कार्तिक मतलब टॉप करने का सोच रहा है, गुड। नोटेड स्वाति?
सर मैंने ये क्वेश्चन कर लिया था।
Oh, you have followed the same logic or some other method you have done? I don't think so there is any other method exists.
सर सेम ही है।
Same here, right? Amma, you have followed any other method or same?
The same method, sir.
Yes, there is no other
Actually,
method.
मैं पहले में ही जो RHS है शुरुआत में ही उसे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भेज दिया था।
कर सकते हो, that is
वो
the
मैंने
same thing. Though same thing it is, there is no difference. Yes, चलो ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चंस हो गए, right? Next doubt. After that, the next question is, if pth, qth and rth terms of an AP be A, B, C respectively, then show that A times Q minus R. ये सब लोग कर लिए हो या कोई डाउट है किसी को?
Sir, I have a doubt.
In this question? Okay, I will explain this question as well. This is also a very good question actually. मतलब थोड़ा calculations may be little lengthy, but हो जाएंगे। और ये एग्जाम में शायद नहीं आएंगे इतना लंबा कैलकुलेशंस, बट स्टिल यू शुड नो इट, क्योंकि सब लोग को आईटी करना है ना। ये चैप्टर यू नो दैट इवन इन 11th यू हैव टू स्टडी। कार्तिक, सेम टॉपिक यू विल स्टडी इन grade 11 एज वेल। अक्षत, यू आर बैक।
More complicated.
नहीं, मैथ्स कभी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता ही नहीं है, मतलब इफ यू नो द लॉजिक यू नो इट, दैट्स इट। यू शुड नो ओनली एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शंस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, फ्रैक्शन, दैट्स इट। रेस्ट ऑल एनीबॉडी कैन लर्न इट। Anyway, concentrate on this question now, whoever is having doubts. This is a very good question. So what the question says here, if the pth term, so pth term is given to you as small a, right? So please understand here, small a doesn't represent your first term. It is just telling pth term value is small a. Same way it is telling qth term is small b, and it is telling rth term as small c. यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है anybody? ऑल राइट। अब यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो ना, ये पीथ टर्म बोल रहा है, तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म ये नहीं है, ये स्मॉल है जो दिया है ना, ये फर्स्ट टर्म नहीं है। सो लेट अस एज्यूम द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ दिस एपी इज, कुछ मान सकते हो, समथिंग, कुछ भी मान लो, एक्स वाई जी कुछ मान लेते हैं, ठीक है, मान लेते हैं एक्स इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, इज दैट ऑल राइट? और लेट्स मान लेते हैं कैपिटल ए इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, इज दैट ऑल राइट कार्तिक?
Yes, sir.
You cannot assume small a as the first term because it is already given the value of pth term is small. So we are not taking that variable, okay? So here pth term का मतलब क्या होता है? First term. So first term plus p minus 1 times common difference, that is given as small a, right? Same way qth term का मतलब क्या होता है? First term plus q minus 1 times small d is equals to small b, right? Same way rth term means what? First term plus r minus 1 times d is equals to small c. Yes or no? Any doubt still
Yes, sir.
here?
No, sir.
Now these questions can be done in various ways. There is not even just single method. There are various methods actually. So one of the method which you should observe here, whatever you have to prove, right? In that proof, you don't need a value and you don't need d value. Yes or no? If you look at it, what
Yes,
you are
sir.
supposed to prove in that, they don't want capital A and they don't want small d. Yes or no? So what you can do here,
Yes,
let us assume this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Now from any one of the equation, either from the equation number 1 or equation number 2 or equation number 3, you can find the value of capital A and substitute in the remaining two equations. What I mean to say, from the equation number 1, can I say capital A is equals to small a minus P minus 1 times D? Can I say this from the equation number
Yes,
1?
sir.
Now what I will do, capital A value which I have got from equation number 1, I can substitute in equation 2 as well as in 3. Okay, so this
Yes.
value of capital A, first I will substitute in equation number 2. So in place of capital A, I can write A minus of P minus 1 times D plus Q minus 1. Everyone observe on understanding, not on writing. Writing part you can do it later. So capital A value from the equation number 1, I have substituted in equation number 2. And same way this value of capital A, I will substitute in equation number 3. So that is nothing but A minus P minus 1 times D plus R minus 1 times D is equals to small c. Is that all right, Karthik, Akshar, Swati, everyone?
Yes, sir.
ये डाउट्स मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है,
मैं
बस
दूसरा
जो
क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ,
ओके करो करो करो
आगे हो रहा। मेरे को 22 में डाउट था, मैंने 25 तक किया है।
ठीक है। इसमें कोई डाउट है किसी को? कार्तिक अभी डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
अब ये मान लेते हैं इक्वेशन नंबर 4, राइट? ये जो इक्वेशन नंबर इसको 4 मान लेते हैं, ठीक है? तो अगर ये 4 नंबर इक्वेशन मान लेते हैं और ये इक्वेशन नंबर 5 मान लेते हैं, राइट कार्तिक? अब एक
Yes,
चीज
sir.
ध्यान से देखो ना, अब जो हमें प्रूव करना था उसमें कैपिटल ए नहीं चाहिए था, कैपिटल ए तो इसमें गायब हो गया, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट, राइट?
Yes,
लेकिन
sir.
स्मॉल डी अभी भी मेरे पास बचा हुआ है, राइट? आर यू
Yes,
गेटिंग
sir.
इट? स्मॉल डी वैल्यू इज स्टिल देयर। तो आप क्या करेंगे ना, इक्वेशन नंबर 4 से स्मॉल डी का वैल्यू निकाल करके इक्वेशन नंबर 5 में सबस्टिट्यूट कर देंगे। आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग?
Yes, sir.
Or you can find the value of small d from equation number 5 and you can substitute in equation number 4. Anything you can do it. The way from the equation number 1 we found the value of capital A and substituted in equation number 2 and equation number 3. So we got equation number 4 and equation number 5. Now either from the equation number 4 or equation number 5, you can find the value of small d and you can substitute in the other equations, right? यहाँ
Yes,
तक
sir.
कोई doubt है?
No, sir.
Now let's find the value of this small d. तो इसको थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज कर लेते हैं, इक्वेशन नंबर 4 को ना थोड़ा रीअरेंज कर लेते हैं। ये जो माइनस है ना उसको दूसरे तरफ लेके चले जाएंगे तो प्लस हो जाता है। तो आई can say that a minus b is equals to p minus 1 times small d minus q minus 1 times small d। ऐसा लिख सकते हैं कार्तिक, इक्वेशन नंबर 4। दिस b I took on the left hand side and this minus p minus 1 into d and this plus q minus 1 into d I took to the other side. Any confusion till here, Karthik?
No, sir.
Very good. Now left hand side a minus b, let us keep as it is. Now if you open the bracket, you will get pd minus d and minus qd and minus into minus 1 is plus d. Yes or no, Karthik?
Yes,
Now
sir.
if here minus d and plus d gets cancelled it out. Yes or no, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
What you are remaining with a minus b is equals to, from this and this what is common? D is common and you will get here p minus q. Yes or no, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Now I am interested in the value of small d. So p minus q, which is multiplied, if I take to the other side, I will get a minus b upon p minus q is equals to small d. Yes or no, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Now we have got the value of small d from the equation number 4. We have rearranged the terms and we got the value of small d, right, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
अब इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? इसके बाद तो कुछ नहीं करना, आंख बंद करना है, स्मॉल डी का वैल्यू इसमें सबस्टिट्यूट कर देना है। अदरवाइज If substitution is becoming lengthy, so from the equation number 4 you have got the value of small d. Same way you can find the value of small d from equation number 5. Okay, so from the equation number 5, if you see a minus p minus 1 times small d plus r minus 1 times small d is equals to c, right Karthik? और सेम
Yes,
वे
sir.
इसको रीअरेंज करेंगे ना टर्म्स, तो a माइनस सी हो जाएगा और ये माइनस वाला दूसरे तरफ लेके जाएंगे तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज p माइनस 1 टाइम्स d और ये प्लस वाला क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा. दैट इज माइनस ऑफ r माइनस 1 टाइम्स d, राइट कार्तिक? सो दिस
Yes.
इज a माइनस c इज इक्वल्स टू pd माइनस d, PD minus D minus R into D plus D, राइट कार्तिक? और
Yes,
इसके
sir.
बाद क्या होगा, ये माइनस डी और प्लस डी कट हो जाएगा. इसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा, ये अगर डी कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो दैट इज पी माइनस आर. यस और नो? दैट
Yes,
इज
sir.
ए माइनस सी. अब यहाँ से डी का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा, ए माइनस सी डिवाइडेड बाई पी माइनस आर इज इक्वल्स टू डी. यस और नो? अब ये क्या है ना, दोनों d का ही वैल्यू है. यस और नो? Both
Yes,
are the
sir.
values of d. It means both represents the same thing. So I can say that a minus b upon p minus q is equals to a minus c upon p minus r. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं ना, सो दैट यू विल गेट इट एज a माइनस बी टाइम्स p माइनस r इज इक्वल्स टू a माइनस c टाइम्स p माइनस q. यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
अब इसको ओपन कर दो ना ब्रैकेट को, ऑटोमेटिकली तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. दैट इफ यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट दैट इज a टाइम्स, अच्छा सबको पहले लेफ्ट हैंड, अच्छा लिख लो, ब्रैकेट ओपन कर ले. Better you take everything on the left hand side first, because right hand side they want 0. So you can write a minus b times p minus r minus of a minus c times p minus q is equals to 0. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Now if you open the bracket, that is a times p minus r minus b times p minus r minus a times p minus q. ये माइनस माइनस मिल करके क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस प्लस c टाइम्स p minus q is equals to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to do, again you have to open the bracket, so you will get AP minus AR minus BP plus BR plus AP plus AQ plus CP minus CQ is equals to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
जो जो चीज तुम्हें चाहिए ना उसको कलेक्ट कर लो. जैसे ए क्यू माइनस ए आर चाहिए, तो ए क्यू माइनस ए आर कहाँ पे है, ए क्यू ये हो गया, माइनस ए आर है. तो अगर ये दोनों टर्म को अगर हम क्लब करते हैं कार्तिक, तो क्या हो जाएगा, अगर ए कॉमन ले लेंगे ना तो ये क्यू माइनस आर आ जाएगा मेरे पास. ये दोनों टर्म को क्लब करते हैं तो, या नहीं आएगा, बताओ.
Yes, sir.
100% क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
बाद क्या चाहिए, बी आर माइनस बीपी. ये बी आर माइनस बीपी, देखो यहीं पे पास पास में है ना, तो अगर बी आर माइनस बीपी में से हम क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं कार्तिक, बी कॉमन ले सकते हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
तो प्लस बी को अगर हम कॉमन ले लेंगे तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा, आर माइनस पी. कोई डाउट है कार्तिक
No, sir.
का?
No, sir.
ऑल राइट. इसके बाद एक चीज और देखोगे ना, ये आई थिंक यहाँ प्लस माइनस, ये माइनस होगा, माइनस ए इंटू पी ना, यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा, ये वाला साइन गलत हो गया था, माइनस ए पी होगा ये. दिस वाज माइनस ए पी. एक चीज और देखोगे तो ये प्लस ए पी और माइनस ए पी ये कट हो जाएगा, राइट कार्तिक? और बचा
हाँ.
हुआ जो टर्म है ना, ये सी पी माइनस सी क्यू, तो यहाँ से हम सी को अगर कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या बचेगा, P minus Q is equals to 0. यही तो प्रूफ करना था ना कार्तिक.
Yes, sir.
सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, राइट? नथिंग, नो ब्रेन रिक्वायर्ड हियर. यहाँ पे जो pth टर्म दिया हुआ है वो पहले लिख लेना है. That I have taken capital A as the first term, right? Because small a was already part of the question, right? Karthik, do you understand why I have taken that?
Yes, sir.
So उसके बाद क्या आता है, मेरे पास तीन इक्वेशंस मिलते हैं. So from the equation number 1, see, by looking at what we need to prove, we don't want the first term and the common difference, right? So from these three equations, we have to remove the first term, that is capital A, and the common difference, that is small d, right? So from the equation number 1, we found the value of first term, that is capital A, and substituted in the equation number 2 and equation number 3. Are you getting it, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
And then we got equation number 4 and equation number 5. So in this, both the equations, first term, that is capital A, is eliminated, right? Now from the equation number 4 and equation number 5, we find the value of capital small d, that is the common difference, and we equated it, and then we just rearranging the terms, you get the answer, right, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
But if you don't practice this question at least 3 to 4 times, it will not work. By looking, it might be very easy, right? But when you start writing, you will get confused with plus sign, minus sign, this, that, and all. Okay. So understand, note it down, practice today itself 3 times. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will not give much homework today. Okay. So whatever the learning you have not learned or any doubt, you can ask. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Swati, you have done these questions?
Sir, मैं 20.
No, I'm asking these questions. Have you done it as homework or no?
Sir, no, sir. As homework
So,
waiting.
तो अभी समझ में आया ये कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir. अभी कर लिया.
मतलब
कल
छाप
किया
लिए या समझ लिए? खुद से किए?
समझ लिया. Yes, sir.
अच्छी बात है, वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, मतलब गुड क्वेश्चन, लेकिन एग्जाम में नहीं आए हैं क्योंकि लेंदी थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन है ना इसका. अक्षत, आर यू देयर?
सर मेरे को 4 पेज लगा ये खत्म करने को, इतनी गलतियां की मैंने.
नहीं करो ना गलती, क्यों करते हो? तुम्हारा कैमरा ऑफ है.
हाँ.
ओके, तो गलती नहीं करो, एकदम स्लोली स्लोली करो. देखो मतलब कहीं पे भी मेरा स्ट्राइक ऑफ तक नहीं हुआ, राइट? मतलब इफ यू फॉलो द प्रोसेस, नो कुछ नहीं होगा. इट इज नॉट लाइक आई हैव मेमोराइज्ड दिस क्वेश्चन. You just think what you are supposed to find it out, no? You will get it. Okay, Akshat. Practice, practice, practice. इस क्वेश्चन को 2-3 बार कर लेना. अच्छी क्वेश्चन है ये. गुड. Amay, you are done with
आंसर
it?
आ गया था.
Okay, very good. Amay, you have done this question, right?
Yes, sir. I'm in 27th one.
So you have done by some other method or similar method?
A similar method, sir.
So you have found the value of first term first and then substituted in the second and third equation, then found the small d common difference and then done it, right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छी बात है, करो करो करो. वेरी गुड. सो ये वाला क्वेश्चंस हो गए हैं. आरोही, डू यू हैव डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चंस? आई विल एक्सप्लेन वन मोर टाइम.
No, sir. I have a doubt in the 26th question.
अच्छा, इसके बाद वन मोर क्वेश्चन वाज देयर, नो? mth term of an AP. Where is that? हाँ, this one everyone has got it. If mth term of an AP be 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m, then show that mnth
Yes, sir.
term is 1. Everybody has got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All right. Good. ये भी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस थे. Now coming to the next question. नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन क्या था? ये तो सिंपल है ना. वी फाइंड द 11th टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड. एनी डाउट इन दैट? एनीबॉडी?
No, sir.
Good. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Everyone has done?
Sir.
All right, very good. Next question is how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Everybody has
सर ये
done?
वाला कर रहा हूँ, ये वाला
करो,
कर रहा हूँ.
करो,
कर रहा हूँ अभी.
करो करो करो, अच्छे से करो, आराम से करो, कोई हड़बड़ी नहीं है.
Sir, इसमें doubt है मुझे.
इसी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है?
हाँ.
ये तो इजी क्वेश्चन है ना. करो, नहीं होगा तो मैं बताऊंगा, नो डाउट. मतलब ठीक है, बताता हूँ मैं इसको, थोड़ा देर पहले सबको कर लेने दो. I think similar questions I have done for something multiple of 3 or something was there, I guess. Similar question.
Sir.
Yes. So think in the same directions, no? How many multiples of 4 lying between matlab you cannot take 10, you cannot take 215, starting from 11 till 249. Whatever multiple of 4s are there, you have to count. Are you doing, Swati, this question?
Yes, sir.
सर हो गया सर
अच्छी बात है, good. Others, please finish it off.
Sir, I have a doubt on this question too.
ठीक है, बाकी लोग ने तो अक्षर स्वाति कंप्लीट, let them complete, they get out and let's play every.
सर 28th वाला क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी के बुक में है शायद,
पता नहीं, अगर होगा होगा, नहीं है तो नहीं है। एनसीईआरटी तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा आराम से, एनसीईआरटी में कुछ करना ही नहीं है। आफ्टर कंप्लीशन यू मतलब एवरीवन टेक योरसेल्फ, फिनिश एनसीईआरटी, इफ यू गेट एनी डाउट यू कैन पोस्ट मी।
सर हो गया।
वेरी गुड, स्वाति डन।
यस सर, मैंने बोला।
और अच्छा अच्छा, अक्षत डन।
सर अभी स्टार्ट किया था।
करो 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 करो, नहीं करो करो, आराम से करो। अदर्स दोज हु आर डन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। और ये सारा क्लास का वीडियो ना मैं YouTube पे डाल दूंगा, जब भी किसी को डाउट आएगा तो रिवाइंड करके देख लेना, ठीक है? मैं लिंक भेज दूंगा सबको।
सर मुझे ये वाला क्वेश्चन आ गया सर।
वेरी गुड आरोही, गुड जॉब। मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
सर हो गया, खत्म।
वेरी गुड। सो आरोही, व्हाट इज योर आंसर?
सर मुझे समझ में आ गया सर, मैं कर रही हूँ अभी।
अच्छा, अभी कर रहे हो, क्वेश्चन समझ में आया। आई थॉट यू गॉट द आंसर। सो अदर्स दोज हु आर डन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Arohi, Karthik, you can please try another couple of minutes. Still, if you don't get, I'll help you.
No, sir, I got it.
All right, good. You can move to the next question then. अच्छे से करो, समझ समझ के करो, नहीं आता है नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल हेल्प यू। All right, Arohi, please concentrate here now.
सर मैं 29th में आया हूँ.
All right, good. Arohi, please concentrate on this question. How many multiples of 4? So what do you mean by multiples of 4, Arohi?
They're divisible by 4.
8. Yes, correct. So you have to start with the number which is divisible by 4 starting from 10. So anyway,
Right.
10 we cannot take. So 12 is the first number which is divisible by 4. Yes or no? What is the next number, Arohi?
12, 16.
Next.
ऐसे चलते जाएगा. लास्ट में 248 है.
पक्का ये 248 आएगा या मतलब गेस वर्क है?
गेस वर्क नहीं सर, मुझे अभी मल्टीपल मिला है वो 248.
Yes, very good. क्योंकि 250 you cannot take it. So next number before that number is 249. 249 is not divisible by 4. Then before that we have 248 and 248 is divisible by 4 and hence the last term is 248. Yes or no? So if you observe carefully here, Arohi, we have to count how many such numbers are there starting from 12 to 248, right? So if you observe carefully, Arohi, this is nothing but forming an arithmetic progression. Yes or no? Whose first term is your 12? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what is the common difference? Tell me, Arohi.
4.
4. And we are supposed to find the value of n, right? How many multiples means how many numbers that we are supposed to find the value of n. And if you observe carefully here, nth term value we know. What is nth term value given to us, Arohi? 248, right, Arohi? Now nothing to do it, just you can close your eyes and just substitute the formula, you will get it. Nth term is nothing but a plus n minus 1 times d, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
That is equals to 248. Now substitute the value of a as 12 plus n minus 1 times d. What is the value of d? D is nothing but 4. That is equals to 248, right? Are you getting it, Arohi? Now, if you just open the bracket, 12 remains as it is. This is 4n minus 4. That is equals to 248. Now, what you can do, this 12 and this minus 4, everything you can take on the right hand side. So you will get 248 minus 12 plus 4, right, Arohi? So
Sir, I
now,
got the answer, sir. Is n equal to 60?
yes, maybe let's calculate it. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 4 minus 1 is 3, and this is 2 as it is plus 4, right? So that is nothing but 240. It means that the value of 4 times n is 240, right, Arohi? But we are not interested in the value of n. We want the value of, sorry, we don't want the value of 4n. We just want the value of n. So n is equals to 240 upon 4. That is equals to 60, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Hence, there are 60 terms which are multiple of 4 lying between 10 and 250. ये समझ में आया रोही अच्छे से?
हाँ सर.
एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दूं?
नहीं सर.
पक्का?
पक्का.
You should write each and everything very neat and clean. Okay, steps should be very clear. कभी कभी तुम्हारा 2 और 7 मेरे को डिफरेंस ही नहीं लगता है. You have seen one place I have circled it, right? So write everything as neat as possible. Have you understood this question, Arohi, completely?
हाँ सर.
All right, good, very good. Next question, a sum of 1,000 is invested. Have you done, Arohi?
No sir, I didn't know.
You are doing it right now. Do it. Karthik, have you done that question? A sum of 1,000 is invested at 8% per annum.
Yeah, sir. It was
Got
very
the
easy.
answer?
Yes, sir. Let me tell you.
No, don't tell me. You have done it, right? Akshat, have you
Yes,
done that question? A sum of 1,000 is invested at 8%.
Yes, sir. हो गया मेरा.
Swati?
Yes, sir.
Good. Arohi, please finish it off. If you don't get asked, don't hesitate.
Yes sir, this question. Could you explain this?
Sorry?
Could you explain this question? A sum of 1,000 rupees.
Or you want me to explain? Okay, I'll explain it. Do you know the concept of simple interest, Arohi?
Yes sir.
What do you mean by simple interest? Explain me briefly.
P into R into T by 100.
Yes. तो वही तो करना है ना. Calculate the interest at the end of 1 year. So simple interest में 1 year के लिए निकालना है, फिर 2 year के लिए निकालना है, फिर 3 year के लिए निकालना है, right? So tell me what is the simple interest for 1 year? Tell me.
P into R into T by
So
100.
see, I'm not asking the formula. I'm asking what do you get at the end of 1 year? What is the simple interest you get it? Tell me, Arohi. You know how to calculate what is principal here, what is rate of interest, and what is time? Yeah. So calculate and tell me after 1 year how much simple interest you get.
Sir, 80 rupees.
80 rupees it is.
Yes, sir.
All right. After 2 years, how much do you get, Arohi?
Sir, 160.
160. Okay. After 3 years, how much do you get, Arohi?
240.
All right. And so on चलता जाएगा. Yes or no? अगर 4th year के लिए पूछे तो ऐसा चलता जाएगा. तो ये क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है ना कि ये sum of ₹1,000 is invested at 8% per annum simple interest. Calculate the interest at the end of 1 year. So interest at the end of 1 year is 80 rupees. At the end of 2 year is 160 rupees. At the end of 3 year it is 240 rupees and so on. अब ये पूछ रहा है कि ये जो सीक्वेंस बना है तुम्हारा, is it forming an AP or not, Arohi?
हाँ सर.
AP है पक्का?
पक्का.
कैसे जानते हो कि it is AP?
Common difference 80 है.
Same है ना, second term minus first term when you are doing, you are getting 80. Third term minus second term also you are doing, you are getting 80, right? So every time you are getting the same difference, and hence we can say that yes, it is forming an AP. Yes or no, Arohi?
हाँ सर.
अगर ये आ गया तो इसका तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन है ना, फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ 30 इयर्स, राइट? तो तुमसे क्या पूछ रहा है? T30 पूछ रहा है, राइट आरोही? सो T30 का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? A + 29 टाइम्स T, यही होता है ना आरोही?
हाँ सर.
यस. तो तुम्हें A का वैल्यू मालूम है, दैट इज 80 प्लस 29 remains as it is, and T is here also 80 only, right? So that will give you, I think, 2,400. Yes. Yes, you will get 2,400 rupees. Are you getting it? So calculate the interest at the end of 30 years is 2,400. Any confusion, Arohi?
No sir.
पक्का? ये तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन था ना रोही, क्या था इसमें? दिमाग तो लगाना ही नहीं था.
मैंने 1 2 3 फिर उसके बाद देखा तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया क्या करना है। मैंने ये नहीं पढ़ा कि कैलकुलेट।
मतलब हाँ, डॉट 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 का मतलब इट कीप्स गोइंग ऑन द सिमिलर फैशन. All right, this was a simple question. Next question is also similar. Tomorrow we are starting with a new topic. So जो भी डाउट है ना वो सब पूछ लो.
सर एम क्या होता है?
अच्छा, एम मैंने दिया था क्वेश्चन क्या?
फाइंड
हाँ, सर।
द एम।
अच्छा हाँ, वो मैं बता देता हूँ. अभी कॉन्सेप्ट सीख लो पहले. सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है, ऐसे भी अभी नहीं तो 11th में सीखना ही पड़ेगा, तो मैंने सोचा अभी सिखा देता हूँ. एम का मतलब होता है अर्थमेटिक मीन. ठीक है, तुमने मीन मीडियन मोड पढ़े होगे ना?
यस
यस
सर.
सर।
So what
Yes, sir.
do you know about arithmetic mean, right? Same thing applies in arithmetic mean as well, okay? Whatever the concept you have learned about mean, it is the same thing in arithmetic means. It is the average of the two numbers, okay? Suppose if I give you two numbers, let's say A and B are the numbers, and if I ask you to find the arithmetic mean of A and B, right? So you just need to find the average of that. That is A plus B upon 2. Now do you understand?
यस सर।
Arithmetic mean is same as mean, what you have understood earlier. Average, you can say it is average. Suppose there are three numbers given to you, and if you have to find the arithmetic mean of those three numbers, you just take the average of those three numbers. Is that all right? All right, please finish it off. ऑल डन 30 है मैं?
मैं तो 30th में हूँ.
कर लो, अच्छे से करो, नहीं आएगा तो मैं बता दूंगा.
Sir, can you show the 24th question slide, sir?
Tanvi joined her company. That
हाँ
question
सर,
is all right.
तो मेरे को 24th वाला देखना है.
ये वाला क्वेश्चन क्या?
नहीं सर, 24th.
ये 25th क्वेश्चन बोलो. ये वाला क्या?
सर एक मिनट बताता हूँ.
अच्छा,
सर, if the nth term of an AP is 1 by n.
अच्छा वो वाला क्वेश्चन क्या? मैं दिखा देता हूँ तो.
Yes, sir. Same doubt.
क्या था ना, if the mth, ये वाला क्वेश्चन क्या?
हाँ एक मिनट.
mth term is 1 by n. Let me
कोई doubt
explain
है?
once again for everyone. mth term is 1 by n. तो mth term क्या होता है? a plus m minus 1 into d, that is 1 by n, right? उसके बाद क्या है? nth term is 1 by m, that can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 1 by m. अब मेरे पास दो इक्वेशन है, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We subtract to find the value of first term and common difference. So when I am subtracting and simplifying like this, you are getting the value of common difference as 1 upon mn. ये थोड़ा स्लोली देखो प्रोसेस, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. एक बार चेक करो, फिर नहीं आता है तो बोलो. आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन. ओके अक्षर, करो
सर
करो.
कल जो आपने दिए थे वो भी करना है?
हाँ तो क्या, उसको क्या मतलब, ऐसा थोड़ी ना खाने के लिए नहीं दिया उसको, करने के लिए. मैथ्स करना है क्या चीज है ना. अभी आज वाला हो गया सारा क्या? अब मतलब
sir.
परसों वाला.
यस सर। वो
चलो.
एम वाला आपने कल भेजा था सर?
हाँ तो वो मैं कल तो मैं बहुत कम क्वेश्चन भेजा हूँ, 10 ही क्वेश्चन ना, वो कर लो 10.
अच्छा सर।
अभी आधे घंटे है ना, आधे घंटे के बाद मैं ब्रेक मतलब छोड़ दूंगा. कल फिर तुम्हारा नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा. सॉल्विंग इक्वेशंस मालूम है तुम लोग को क्या? सिंपल जो इक्वेशन जैसे 2x plus 5 is equals to 10 को x का वैल्यू कैसे निकालते मालूम है ना?
यस सर.
ठीक है, तो कल हम लोग उसका एक्सटेंशन पढ़ेंगे, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ठीक है.
सर एक बार फिर से बताइए क्या बोला, समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, पहले इस पे फोकस करो, कल का कल देख लेंगे. ठीक है, इस पे फोकस कर लो अक्षर. फोकस ऑन दिस
सर
क्वेश्चन.
30 क्वेश्चंस हो गया.
ऑल डन?
यस सर.
कोई डाउट है किसी क्वेश्चन में?
सर बस 30 क्वेश्चंस है?
No, day before yesterday I have said only 30 question only.
हैं? मेरे को 28 आ रहे.
And yesterday I have sent 10 questions.
सर अब कल कर रहा हूँ.
क्या हुआ?
सर मैं yesterday कर रहा हूँ.
सर मेरे को 29 आ रहे थे, फिर मैंने देखा मैंने 24th किया ही नहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. पहले जो डे बिफोर स्टडी का होमवर्क में कोई डाउट है किसी को?
नहीं सर. सर कल के
No,
होमवर्क
sir.
में सेकंड सम में मेरे को 30th आ रहा है.
I'm not getting still. You have a doubt in the studies homework, you mean to say?
No sir.
Okay, so finish the 10 questions which I have given. No, please finish it off, starting from the one.
Okay sir.
Because today is the last day. Tomorrow we have to start with the next topic.
सर पहला क्वेश्चन हो गया.
Good. Finish it off all 10. Akshat, shall I explain this question one more time by writing it, or you are able to understand?
नहीं sir, समझ पा रहा हूँ.
See, always write neat and clean so that you will avoid calculation mistake, and use brackets as much as possible whenever you are using negative sign. But day before yesterday में अगर 30 में से ना अगर 20 क्वेश्चन भी अच्छे से कर लिए तो you are good. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, हाँ एक चीज और, जब स्कूल में ये चैप्टर पढ़ाएंगे तो ऐसा नहीं कि टाइम पास करना, टीचर क्या पढ़ाते हैं वो भी अच्छे से सुनना है क्लास में भी, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कि ये आता है ये आता है ये आता है.
सर बस ये रेड वाला एक बार समझा देंगे कि a
हाँ.
equal to 1/mn कैसा आया?
Okay, very good. I'll explain it. No problem. See here, Akshat, have you understood the value of small d? That is 1 upon mn.
हाँ
ये
सर,
समझ
हाँ
में आया?
सर, हाँ
इसके
सर.
बाद क्या है ना अक्षर, this value of d either you can substitute in the first equation or in the second equations to find the value of first term, that is small a, right Akshat?
हाँ सर.
Now I can write, suppose I am substituting the value of small d in the first equation. So this is small a is as it is plus m minus 1 is as it is. In place of d, I have written 1 upon mn, and that is equals to 1 by n. Any doubt still here, Akshat?
नहीं सर.
Now I will open the bracket. This is m minus 1 multiplied by this. तो m को पहले 1 upon mn से multiply करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? m upon mn हो जाएगा, और माइनस 1 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस 1 अपॉन mn हो जाएगा, राइट अक्षर?
हाँ.
ये समझ में आया मल्टीप्लीकेशन जो ब्रैकेट ओपन किए हैं?
ओके भाई.
So a is as it is plus m upon mn minus 1 upon mn is equals to 1 by n. यहाँ न्यूमरेटर m और डिनोमिनेटर m कट हो जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा? a plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon mn इज इक्वल्स टू 1/n, और ये 1/n और ये -1/mn सारे को सारे उधर लेके जाएंगे ना, तो ये 1/n -1/n कट होकर के a इज इक्वल्स टू 1/mn बचेगा, राइट अक्षर? So you are getting the value of common difference as 1/mn and the first term as well 1/mn, right Akshat?
Okay, sir, I got it. Thank
So
you.
once you understand the value of first term and common difference, just you have to write in the formula the value of a and d. So a is 1/mn plus mn minus 1 times 1/mn. इसको simplify करोगे तो 1 आ जाएगा automatically. Do you understand
Okay,
Akshat?
sir. Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
वेरी गुड, एक बार अच्छे से नोट कर लो, और ये जो दो चार ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है ना, यू प्लीज प्रैक्टिस once or twice more, okay?
Sir, about the test, will the questions be harder than this?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है हार्ड, ये हार्ड क्या होता है? देयर इज नथिंग लाइक हार्ड, मतलब देखो इस क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे मैंने एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं किया है, तो इफ यू थिंक
सर मैंने मिनिमाइज की जगह क्रॉस बटन दबा दिया.
आई विल गिव यू इजी क्वेश्चंस, डोंट वरी कार्तिक.
Sir, no, sir. These are already too easy, sir.
This is too easy, that's what I'm telling. Yes, finish it off, every question. Swati, all are done? 10 questions, which questions you are doing now?
सर 10 में से fourth one.
Okay.
No, third one.
You remember the formula of sum of n terms, right? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right?
Yes,
Swati?
sir. Yes, sir.
वो फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आया भगवान जाने,
नहीं सर.
मालूम है क्या? There is a
And third
reason.
वाले में
Hmm.
a minus d comma a plus d 3 नंबर.
हाँ ले
सर
सकते हो.
अर्थमेटिक मीन का फॉर्मूला क्या है, एक बार फिर से बताएंगे अर्थमेटिक मीन का?
Arithmetic mean is nothing but just normal average, which you have already studied, right?
हाँ,
Arithmetic
हाँ.
mean if there are only two numbers, so you have to take the average of that. That is called as arithmetic mean. Suppose there are three numbers A, B, and C. So if you take the average of those three numbers, that is called as arithmetic mean. That's the reason. There is no difference between arithmetic mean and average.
Okay, sir.
All right, do it, Akshat. Finish it off the remaining 10 questions. Whatever you get it, whatever you don't, I'll help.
Sir, all the 30 sums done, sir.
Very good, Karthik. Good job. Keep it up. Now try the next 10 questions, which I have shared with his yesterday homework.
Sir, first three sums are done, sir. Just the fourth one I have doubt.
Fourth one, you have a doubt. I'll explain that one. No problem. You can continue the other questions. Fourth question, you are telling find four numbers in AP. That question?
Yes, sir. That one and the previous one.
Okay, no problem. Yes, I was expecting this doubt. It is not a very difficult concept, but you should know the concept as well. Okay, let me help you briefly. This is a kind of a question which you should know it. Okay, so let me help this one. Okay, यहाँ पे नहीं, इसको कर लेते हैं नेक्स्ट वाले सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स जो बताया है ना उसके बाद वाला. इसके बाद मैं बताता हूँ। This question, right, Karthik? There are various ways to do it. First, we will do whatever the concepts we know using that, and then I will explain you the easier method to do this question. Okay. Everybody, if you can focus, it is great. If you have got it, still you can focus here. Okay, once. So what it says, the sum of three numbers in AP. अगर तीन नंबर AP में है कार्तिक, so can I say the first term, suppose it is A, what will be the value of second term? A plus D. Can I say it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of third term? A plus 2D. Can I say this one? Yes. So what the question says here, the sum of three numbers in AP is 21. It means that if you add these three numbers, that is A plus D plus A plus 2D, and that is equals to 21. Yes or no, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you simplify it, A plus A, that you will get it as 3A plus D plus 2D is nothing but 3D, and that is equals to 21. Yes or no, Karthik?
Yes, sir. I got this
Now, if you take
equation.
3 as common, you will get A plus D is equals to 21. Right, Karthik? Now this 3, if I take to the other side, I will get the value of A plus D is equals to 21 by 3, that is 7. Any doubt still here, Karthik?
No, sir.
Very good. So let us mark this as equation number 1. Okay. Now next, what it says, their product is nothing but 231. It means that if you multiply these three numbers, right, that is A multiplied by A plus D multiplied by A plus 2D, right, Karthik? That is given to you as 231. Any confusion, Karthik?
Sir. No, sir.
Now, if you observe carefully, what is the value of A plus D, Karthik?
7, sir.
7. So in place of A plus D, can I substitute 7, Karthik, here?
Yes, sir.
Now this also A plus 2D can be written as A plus D plus D. So A plus 2D can be written as 7 plus D. Yes or no, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but 231. Any confusion, Karthik?
No, sir. I think I got the answer. I
No.
actually did a mistake, sir. I assumed that for the A plus 2D, I wrote like A plus D, sir. 2A
No,
plus D, sir.
A
And that's
plus
what
2D it is there, right? So A plus 2D can be written as A plus D plus D. So A plus D value is 7. So one more D will remain. Now 7, which is multiplied, if you take to the other side, so A times 7 plus D, you will get it as 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. That is 33, right, Karthik? Now you have got two equations. Suppose this is my second equations, right, Karthik? So you get the value of A plus D as 7, and A times 7 plus D is 33. So what you can do from the equation number 1, you can find the value of A as 7 minus D, right, Karthik? Now this value of A, you can substitute in the second equation. You will get 7 minus D multiplied by 7 plus D, and that is equals to 33, right, Karthik? It is of the form A minus B into A plus B, that is A squared minus B squared, that is equals to 33. Yes or no, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
So that can be written as 49 minus D square is equals to 33, right, Karthik? And when you
Yes, sir.
simplify this one, you will get D square is equals to 49 minus 33. That is nothing but 16, right? So you get the value of D square as 16. It means that the value of D is equals to plus minus square root of 16. That is D is equals to plus minus 4, right, Aksh? Right, Akash? Akshat, do you understand this question? Akshat, are you there?
सर मैं ये वाला अभी तक किया नहीं हूँ
अच्छा,
इससे
किया ही
पहले
नहीं
वाला
है।
क्वेश्चन है
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। Karthik, do you understand the value of D is 4
Yes, sir.
plus minus 4? So from here you will have two scenarios. One time D is equals to 4 and another time you have to take D is equals to minus 4, right? Karthik. So once you get the value of D as 4, if you substitute in the equation number 1, you will get the value of A as 7 minus 4, that is 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But if you take D as minus 4, so you will get the value of A is equals to 7 minus of minus 4 is 11. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now you have to find the three terms, right? So if you know, suppose you are talking about this. So first term is 3, second term is 3 plus 4, that is 7. Third term is 7 plus 4, that is 11. Yes or no? If
Yes,
you
sir.
are taking the second arithmetic progression, first term is 11, second one will be 11 plus of minus 4, so that will be nothing but how much? 7, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So finally you are getting the same number only, 3, 7, 11. Yes or no? So these are the three numbers which you add it, you will get 21, and if you multiply these three numbers, you will get it as 231. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
तो ये हो गया ट्रेडिशनल मेथड, लेकिन ऐसे एग्जाम में इसको इजी मेथड में भी किया जा सकता है. तो फर्स्ट यू अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. इफ यू हैव अ डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. कार्तिक.
No, sir.
Swati, have you done this question?
Yes, sir.
You have done the traditional method or a smart way of doing this question?
Sir, same, sir.
तुमने फर्स्ट टर्म को ए लिया, सेकंड टर्म को ए प्लस डी लिया, थर्ड टर्म को ए प्लस 2d लिया, ऐसा करके क्या?
सर मैंने फर्स्ट नहीं, हाँ, a माइनस डी a प्लस डी लिए.
वो कौन बताया था? मैं तो अभी तक नहीं बताया हूँ.
सर a माइनस डी सर सिम
फर्स्ट टर्म
नॉर्मली
तो
वही
हमेशा
लेंगे
ए
ना
होता है
सर.
ना.
क्या सर?
What is first term? First term is always a, right?
यस सर. a माइनस डी ओ a माइनस डी और a प्लस डी.
हाँ? ये कौन? मैं तो कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ, मेरे को बताओ. मतलब आई डोंट नो, यू टीच मी.
सर a माइनस डी कॉमा a प्लस
What
डी.
is a minus d is first term or a is first term?
a माइनस डी इज फर्स्ट टर्म.
वो कौन पढ़ाया? मैं तो नहीं पढ़ाया हूँ ये अभी तक.
सर वैसे ही होएगा ना सर. d माइनस करेंगे तो उससे पहले वाला टर्म आएगा.
हाँ, एक्चुअली वही है. अगर वो वाला जैसे ट्रेडिशनल मेथड क्या होता है ना, फर्स्ट टर्म इज ए, सेकंड टर्म इज ए प्लस डी, थर्ड टर्म इज ए प्लस 2d, राइट, इन जनरल. But suppose if you take a minus d as the first term, you can take it, there is no problem at all. Then the second term will be a minus d plus d, that will become a, right? And the third term will be a plus d. So in that scenario, calculations become little easier. But please understand, in that scenario, a is not your first term. A minus d is your first term. Are you getting it? And a is your second term. Are you getting, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Amar, have you done this question?
Yes, sir.
All right. You have done by a minus d, a plus d, or you have done a plus d, a plus 2d?
सर यही वाला जो आप किया हो ऐसे ही.
अच्छा, ठीक है. तो ये मेथड बहुत ट्रेडिशनल है, which I will not ask everyone to do it. Let's learn a concept now. Focus. Everyone, please focus. Suppose you are given with a question in which you need to use the 3 terms of AP or 4 terms of AP or 5 terms of AP, how to do the question, okay? So suppose A is the term, right? So previous to this, what will be the term? A minus D, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Every time what you are doing, you are just adding the common difference, right? So if you are going backwards, it means you will subtract, because if it is a minus d, next term will be a minus d plus d, that will become a, right? and the next term will be a plus d. So if the question is asked only based on three terms of AP, you can take the first term as a minus d, second term as a, and third term as a plus d. Is that all right? Please understand, in this question, a is not your first term. Here the first term is a minus d. Okay. Second term is a and the third term is a plus d. Do you understand, Aman?
Yes, sir.
Little bit confusion is there.
No, sir.
Akshat, do you understand this concept, what I explained just now?
Yes, sir.
See, this in this way, calculations become little simpler. What I explained just now, this question, this is a traditional method. So here calculations is little higher. But if I do the same question using this concept, this formula, like first term is a minus d, second term is a, and the third term is a plus d, your calculations will become little easier. Is that all right? So same question I'll show here. The sum of the three numbers. Tell me.
अगर a फर्स्ट टर्म होता है तो a माइनस j कैसे ले सकते हैं हम?
नहीं 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 नहीं, इसे तो मैं बोला कि अगर मान लेते हैं, जस्ट आई एम इमेजिनिंग,
तो उसकी जगह x नहीं ले सकते?
हाँ ले सकते हो। इसको मान लेते हैं x ले लेते हैं, तो इसके पहले वाला टर्म क्या आ जाएगा, x माइनस डी आ जाएगा, राइट? और इसके बाद वाला टर्म x प्लस डी आ जाएगा। आर यू गेटिंग इट? अगर यहाँ पे x ले लेंगे तो इसके पहले वाला टर्म क्या आएगा, x माइनस डी आएगा। इसके पहले वाला टर्म क्या आएगा, x माइनस टू डी आ जाएगा। उसके पहले वाला टर्म क्या आ जाएगा, x माइनस थ्री डी आ जाएगा, राइट? Are you getting it? So please understand, when I'm writing like this, here first term is x minus d, second term is x, third term is x plus d. अगर fourth term होगा तो x plus 2d, fifth term होगा तो x plus 3d and so on. Now your doubt is clear, Akshan?
Yes, sir.
Karthik, do you understand this, what I have written just now?
Yes, sir.
आरोही, ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया या मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दूं? डोंट हेजिटेट। नहीं समझ में आया?
समझ में आ गया।
All right, good, very good. So what I was telling कि using this concept, this problem can be done much more easier. जैसे यहाँ पे दिया है ना, the sum of three numbers in AP is 21. तो अगर मैं ये तीनों नंबर को ऐड करता हूँ, right, that is a minus d plus a plus d, and that is nothing but how much, 21, right? So यहाँ पे क्या होते हैं ना, डायरेक्टली ये वाला माइनस डी और ये वाला प्लस डी कैंसिल हो करके 3a इज इक्वल्स टू 21 और a इज इक्वल्स टू डायरेक्टली 7 आ जाता है मेरे को नंबर, राइट? सो दिस बिकम्स लिटिल इजियर. Are you getting it? Now the next it says that when you multiply these three numbers, that is a minus d multiplied by a plus d, that is equals to how much, 231. Now you already know the value of a, you can substitute. So this is 7 minus d multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 plus d, that is equals to 231. ठीक है? Now 7 if you divide it, you will get on the left hand side 7 minus d times 7 plus d is equals to 733 you will get, right? And after that it is the same process, that is 7 minus d into 7. After that it is exactly same process, this one. Are you getting it? You will get two values of common difference. So you will get two arithmetic progression and then you can do it, right? So here what will happen?
Yes.
7 square minus d square is equals to 33. I'm writing directly here, d will be plus minus 4. Are you getting it? D is equals to plus minus 4 you will get. So one scenario you have to take d is equals to plus 4. Another scenario you have to take d is equals to minus 4. A value is 7 in both the scenarios, right? A value is same in both the scenarios. So in this case your first term is not a, it is a minus d. So a minus d is nothing but 3. The next is a is your 7. Next is your a plus d, that is 11. Same way here, a minus d, this is 11, then it is 7, then it is 3. So the three numbers are 3, 7 and 11. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You understand this easier way of doing it?
यस सर।
100%.
सर जो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है,
हाँ,
जो आप पहले वाला मेथड के थे उससे क्या था, तो मुझे नहीं आया था, तो मैंने इसे ही
नहीं
किया था।
आएगा, नहीं आएगा, वही नहीं आएगा
सर
ना
मेरे
वो।
को भी नहीं आया था पूरा
हाँ, अच्छी
काट
बात
के।
है, अच्छी बात है, नहीं आएगा वो। इंटेंशनली मैं वही बोला ना कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट तो मैंने अभी सिखाया ही नहीं है ना। तो ये
यस
समझ में आया ये वाला क्वेश्चन?
यस सर, तो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का आ गया आंसर।
अब इसी का कॉन्सेप्ट देखो, अगला बार करते हैं। फोर्थ वाले में भी करना होगा ना, तो थोड़ा और कॉन्सेप्ट लगाना होगा। 3 और 5 में ना इजी होते हैं। अगर जैसे ये 3 टर्म्स के लिए था, और 5 टर्म्स में भी क्या होता है ना, जैसे बीच वाले में ले लो, ए ले लेते हैं, इसके बाद वाला में क्या आ जाएगा, ए प्लस डी आ जाएगा, राइट। और इसके पहले वाले में क्या आ जाएगा, ए माइनस डी ले लो, ठीक है। और इसके पहले एक और ले लो, ए माइनस 2d ले लेंगे, राइट। और उसी तरीके से इसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा, a प्लस 2d। तो ये 5 टर्म्स जब होगा ना क्वेश्चन, तो यही यूज करना, a माइनस 2d, a माइनस डी, a प्लस डी, a प्लस 2d। कॉमन डिफरेंस तो तुम्हारा स्मॉल d है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टर्म इज नॉट स्मॉल है। आर यू गेटिंग इट हियर?
यस सर।
100% है।
यस सर।
So if there are 5 terms of the question, so you should always do like this. If 7 terms are there, same way a minus 3d इधर ले लेंगे और a plus 3d extend कर देंगे, ठीक है। So I think odd number of terms now it is very clear to everyone, right?
यस सर।
All right. स्वाति, ये समझ में आया ये कैसे करना है जो?
यस सर।
Here first term is not small a. Please keep in mind here a minus 2d is the first term, a minus d is the second term, a is the third term, d is the normal common difference. That is okay. Karthik, have you understood this question? If there are 5 terms, how to take the terms? You should take the terms as a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
अक्षत, ये समझ में आया या अभी भी डाउट है कि हम लोग ऐसा क्यों
नहीं
लिखते
सर,
हैं?
डाउट नहीं है, समझ आ गया।
Now please understand here a is not your first term, okay? Here a minus 2d is your first term, okay? But this method will be helpful when there are odd number of terms. But if there are even number of terms like 4 terms or 6 terms, there is another method of doing that I will explain. In this question, let me write it here. In this question, first term is your a minus 2d. And your common difference remains as it is, that is small d, when there are 5 terms. When there are 5 terms. Similarly, when there are 3 terms, your first term is nothing but a minus d, and the common difference is nothing but small d only. तो ये हो गया ऑड नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स। इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स का आज ही बता दूं या कल बताऊं?
आज ही बता दीजिए।
आज ही बता दूं, ठीक है, बता देता हूं, कोई बात नहीं है। तो चलो फोकस। अगर 4 टर्म्स में अगर ये कॉन्सेप्ट लगाएंगे ना, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट की, मान लेते हैं एक इधर ले लेते हैं, इसके पहले a माइनस डी आ जाएगा और इसके पहले a प्लस डी आ जाएगा, अगर मान लो ले लेते हैं। तो अब फोर्थ टर्म इसके पहले एक लेंगे कि इसके बाद में लेंगे ना, वो कंफ्यूजन है, राइट। अगर मान लो इधर ले लेते हैं a प्लस 2d, तो ये सिमेट्रिक जैसा नहीं लग रहा है, राइट, बिकॉज देयर इज नथिंग लाइक a माइनस 2d। अगर इसी चीज को अगर हम पहले ले लेते हैं इधर, that is a minus 2d, again the same problem, it is not looking like symmetric, क्योंकि इधर minus 2d है, इधर plus 2d नहीं है। तो इसका मतलब there is something wrong with it, right? We cannot follow this method. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं ना, अच्छे से सुन लेना, a माइनस डी ले लेते हैं पहले, ठीक है, और इसके बाद क्या करते हैं, a प्लस डी ले लेते हैं। दोनों सिमेट्रिक जैसा दिख रहा है ना, 2 टर्म है तो क्या हो गया, एक a माइनस डी हो गया, एक a प्लस डी हो गया, 2 टर्म है तो। और अगर 4 टर्म है ना, तो सिमेट्रिक के लिए क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे ले लेंगे a माइनस 3d और इधर ले लेंगे a प्लस 3d। ऐसा क्यों लेते हैं, देखो ध्यान से, क्योंकि अगर जो 2 टर्म हम लिए थे ना सिमेट्रिक में, उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस d नहीं है। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, हियर कॉमन डिफरेंस विच आई हैव टेकन इट एज 2d, राइट, एंड हियर फर्स्ट टर्म इज a माइनस 3d। ये समझ में आया? बहुत ही अच्छा मतलब लॉजिक है ये, बहुत ही अच्छा है, मतलब यू शुड फोकस, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड ये कि अगर if there are three terms, how to write the three terms, if there are five terms, how to take the five terms, if there are four terms, how to take the four terms. बस अब इसके बाद इजी है, अगर सिक्स टर्म होगा तो सेम लॉजिक अप्लाई करना, ऐसे एग्जाम में कभी भी नहीं आते हैं, जनरली दे आस्क ईदर थ्री टर्म्स और फोर और फाइव मैक्स, मोर देन दैट दे विल नॉट आस्क. सो यहाँ पे जो फोर टर्म्स था कैसे था, a minus 3d was my first term, a minus d was my second term, a plus d was my third term, a plus 3d was my fourth term, and अगर फिफ्थ टर्म इधर लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा a plus 5d, लेकिन उसी तरीके से इधर भी ले लेंगे ना, दैट इज a minus 5d, तो ये सिक्स टर्म्स हो जाएंगे, 1 2 3 4 5 6. स्वाति ये समझ में आया लॉजिक ऐसा क्यों करते हैं?
Yes, sir.
कैलकुलेशंस बहुत इजी हो जाता है, डायरेक्टली ए का वैल्यू मिल जाता है, राइट, और ए का वैल्यू आ जाता है ना, तो सेकंड मतलब जो भी कंडीशंस दिए रहते हैं उससे मेरे को डी का वैल्यू निकल जाता है, तो उसके बाद इजी हो जाता है कैलकुलेट करना, राइट. So now you can do the question number 4. You were telling no, four terms वाला confusion था, तो four terms how will you take? A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Please understand here a is not your first term, d is not your common difference, right?
Sir, actually for the four terms, one I actually got A as 5, sir. Is it correct?
Which method you have used it? You have used a minus 3d, a minus
Sir,
d.
Sir, A
actually
5
for A minus 2D, sir.
it's 5.
No, no, which question you are talking about? See, what a you have assumed, first term you have assumed like that. What method you
The
have followed?
first time I assumed A minus 2D, and I'm talking about the fourth question, sir.
Question number 4 you are talking about. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me
Is
check
equal
it
to
out.
20.
Find four terms. So find four terms में जो first term लोगे ना, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. When you solve it, you will get a value as 5 and d value as plus minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
correct. Correct, very good. तो ये समझ में आ रहा है सब लोग को, right? धीरे धीरे धीरे.
Yes, sir.
चलो तो
Sir.
आई थिंक आज के लिए इतना काफी है ना, इससे ज्यादा डाइजेस्ट
सर
होगा
7 क्वेश्चन हो गए, 7 क्वेश्चन हो गए.
7 क्वेश्चन होगा तो 10 क्यों नहीं हुए? 10 कर लो ना, करके भेज देना एटलीस्ट, नहीं तो ठीक है अभी थोड़ा सो जाओ, या खेलने जाना है तो खेलने चले जाना.
ओके सर.
अभी
Sir,
और कुछ डाउट है आज? हाँ,
sir.
टेल मी कार्तिक.
Sir, in the four terms method, sir, why didn't you write A, sir, in the progression?
I explained, no, before writing I explained. Okay, just imagine I am writing four terms once again, I'll explain you, okay? So let me explain here. Karthik has a good doubt. So suppose if I write A, so next what will you write? A plus D you will write it, right Karthik? And before
Yes,
that
sir.
you will write it as A minus D, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So अब किधर लोगे? मतलब either you can write on the right side or on the left side. Where you want to write it? Tell me.
Sir, left side.
Left side. So what will come? A minus 2D, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Does it look symmetrical? Because
No,
here minus 2D is there, but plus 2D is not there, right? And if you write plus 2D on the other side, that is A minus D, A and A plus D. And suppose if you take the next term as A plus 2D. So it is not symmetrical, right? So calculations will not be easy then, right?
yes, sir.
Yes. Now do you understand why I didn't take A? Or is still
Yes.
not able to understand why the logic?
Yes, sir, I understood.
See, if you take A, it will not come as symmetrical. So A you should take when there are odd number of terms like 3 or 5. But if there are even number of terms, you start with A minus D and right hand side you write A plus D. That is symmetrical, right? So this is 2 terms. Now if you want to write 4 terms, you will
A
write
plus D,
one more
2D.
1 plus 3D this side, and this side you will write A minus 3D, right? Please understand here common difference is not small d, it is 2 times small d. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir, I
Common
understood.
difference is 2 times small d, and the first term is a minus 3d. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir, I understood now.
Akka?
Ha, sir.
ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना काफी है अक्षत. So all the 30 questions, no, whatever you have not shared earlier, you can share, and these 10 questions you can attempt. Whatever
Okay,
is
sir.
done, you can share. Whatever you don't get, no problem. I'll help
Okay,
you.
sir.
Okay. So today I
Okay,
will
sir.
not give much homework. I'll give you just maybe 10 questions only. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. स्वाति तुम्हारा 30 का 30 हो गया ना पूरा पहले वाला होमवर्क का?
Yes, sir.
So whatever working you have not shared earlier, you can please share. And the yesterday's 10 questions, no, you finish it off. That also you share. Is that all right? Whatever you don't get, I'll explain.
Yes, sir. और मैंने
हाँ.
38th क्वेश्चन में 2 क्वेश्चन नहीं किए थे सर, जो पहले कर चुके थे.
No problem. जो नहीं आता है, that's okay. That I will explain. Okay. Then
नहीं
nothing
सर,
to.
पहले कर चुके थे इसीलिए नहीं किए थे.
Okay, no problem then. तो आज का होमवर्क मैं ज्यादा नहीं दूंगा, सिर्फ 10 questions. Finish it off. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Karthik, you also please finish the 30 questions. No, whatever you don't get, that's okay. You share me
Sir,
the
done,
work.
sir.
All 30, all doubts are
Yes.
clarified.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday's 10 questions, whatever I explained, you finish it off, and today I'll give you another 10 questions. Share the working, okay?
Yes, sir.
Arohi, that among the 30 questions, how many more doubts are remaining?
There's not many steps. All the doubts are cleared, sir.
No problem. So whatever doubts is there, still you can share with me. We can discuss, okay?
Okay, sir.
Amay, you are done with all the 30 questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Out of 10, how many are done?
Sir, 5th question था.
Now you understand the logic. Why do we take as a minus d, a plus d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, and all that concept, number of 3 terms, number of 4 terms, number of 5 terms, logic behind that.
Yes, sir.
Calculations will become
Yes,
very
sir.
easy. Otherwise, if you go the traditional method, 3 terms you can do it, 4th term over, khatam, kuch nahi ho sakta hai. ठीक है, so you finish the 10 questions. So today I'm not sending much homework, only 10 questions. Finish it off and then share the working, okay?
Yes, sir.
Wind up करूं या कुछ और पूछना है किसी को?
No, sir.
चलो चलो चलो, then see you tomorrow then same time. Bye bye, take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.